Welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match talk, how you see them. Chelsea won and Manchester United won. And we get Oga okay, we be like now. Very get Man U fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Okay, okay. Normally you predict say Manchester United will win this match 4-1. But what could happen to Manchester United and how you see the performance, how you see the match in general?
The match, wetin Man U play Tottenham, not being across here again today. Man U na dirty today, big dirty. Eriksen, number one disadvantage. Fernandes, number two disadvantage. Rashford, number three. Sancho, number four. All of them just dey play rubbish. Na God nice save us say Elagna come. Man U not deserve to draw sef. We not deserve am. Chelsea deserve to win it because for that first 20 minutes, Chelsea coach carry the game to give us. He go play the first game, show us wetin we play. But when Kovacic come, that Chelsea come outside. So that time they take give us that game, we not fit use am. We just dey play nonsense game. So Man U not deserve to draw sef. Na Chelsea deserve the game.
So, but you'd already talk now, say you did disappointed with this performance when Man U perform. So, but if you want still sorry for one Man U player, so okay, now this player not perform pass, now this player not try pass among all the Man U players, which player if you point for Manchester United?
Na Martinez now. We'll give am to Martinez. If not Martinez, Martinez block some kind important ball. I make you see if you watch am, he dey angry because they give am more pressure to do. They all the midfielder on the work, nothing. The attacker on the work, he just dey suffer himself. They give am more stress for the defense. So it's too tiring. But if you watch for meter, Sterling gets speed. Agumaya, that very experienced attacker, is the top passer. So if they move very well supporter, we still need a lot of start that match. They must call us well. But before Varane come out, now Martinez come to the say he dey pass too shaggy. So I'll give the support to Martinez. Now only Niger dominate. All the rest will be rotten players.
So, but may I ask you now, as a Man United fan, how you see the Cristiano Ronaldo matter? Because this matter, many people don't talk, different opinion there for inside. But you now, you support this decision when the manager make to send Ronaldo may go train with the under 23 after waiting happen for that 30 match. How you see the whole team with Cristiano Ronaldo as a Man U fan?
That's one way the coach do, when Man U do. Now the best thing to do with that because if we not use Ronaldo as an example, other players are going to make that mistake too. They go feel pompous too for that rubbish because those are what Papa do under Mourinho. And Mourinho show how discipline. For you to disobey your coach, you no go sit smash play again. So though Ronaldo na big player, so for that thing what you do first is a wrong error because he gets more younger ones so they wash up to her, and that's not part of a good example. So that punishment a very good punishment when they give her. But we expect her to come back for our second match for Europa because against Sheriff because we need them. Even if not in form, in presence alone an advantage to the team. So that one have good punishment for the more players so they come. They go take example. But all the Fernandes too, they see physical character when they are trying to come. So I like that punishment that they give her.
Okay, wait till you get to tell Chelsea fans now where they wait for you. Because they talk say you don't predict this match, say man you go win 4-1. But now so the score not gonna go 4-1. Wait till you get to tell them.
I go say make dem not vex first. Make I apologize. I make wrong statement because when this Chelsea play today, na they even supposed to win Man U 4-1. They get more corners than Man U and they not use them. I don't see Agumaya for any of the corners. I don't use any of the corners. So Man U supposed to collect that 4-1. Make Chelsea first not vex because the game, I think Man U use all their strength against Tottenham. So they're very lazy today for the game. So that 4-1 first, I apologize. And I like Chelsea defense. They're very composed. Very composed. They play Rashford come up for the top 9. Play Sancho come up for the flag. The only player we show for our front will be Anthony. And the coach make good decision to come up Cucurella. Because reduce Anthony pressure. We're not saying any entertainment of Anthony today for the game because there was a good defensive composed. There was a very composed defense for that game. So I'll say make Chelsea fans not best. I underrate them very well and made them forgive me. Chelsea play good football and they deserve the 4-1. Not be we. We're not shy at all.
All right, now, okay. Thank you for your time.